Good morning, everyone. Now it's not nighttime anymore. It's a lovely area. We managed to get a really nice setup with the old hotel place. So we're on Big Island. We're basically vacationing. Get out of Tokyo for a little while. Oh, this is going all over the place. But this place is just absolutely stunning. So I'm here. I'm going to be taking lots of photography related stuff on this one, and let's see what we can get. Right now, managed to get as well this lovely car, black car there. Managed to get that car through an app called Turo instead of going to a standard rent-a-car place. So far, pretty good experience. So that's something I'm going to be trying again in the future. So yeah, we're on Big Island, I think almost 5 days. We can't go on the other end of the island though, because the volcano's erupting. So it's not too bad. There's no sulfur in the air or anything like that. I expected it to be a lot more foggy due to all of the crap coming out of the volcano. But it is the other end of the island, and this is Big Island. It is really big. It'll take you like a day and a half to drive around this place. Yeah, sorry, this thing is going all over the place. So yeah, so we're now going down to the pool, chill out a bit, and there's like geckos everywhere. I keep seeing geckos. If I spot one, I'll try and take a picture of it. Okay, right, so now pool time, chill out this morning. Maybe this afternoon, go and fly the drone, if the weather's okay, if I can find a space that basically is not covered by standard helicopter air areas. So there's a lot of protected airspace around here, plus the army. So, okay, right, let's go and have a look. So if you've ever been to Big Island, you'll realize that it's not like the other islands. While this area here is completely green, this whole area is made by these gigantic rocks here. So because this island is very, very volcanic, pretty much everything, and I really mean everything, is this stuff. Check it out. It's hard, it's sharp. Yeah, it's just fascinating because it's just such a unique landscape. Everything's so black. You know, there are some areas here that just make you look like you're in space. Straight up, you look like you're in Mars. So it's not surprising that the Mars training camp comes here, actually. Makes a lot of sense. Anyway, onwards. Let's go and find something else to do. Oh, not Mars! Jesus Christ. Not Mars. Just a lava flow area. Can't do that. Just a lava flow area, basically from that big ass mountain behind me. All the lava, hundreds of millions of years ago, kind of spewed on down here when it was forming the island. Real dangerous, hard, crusty stuff. It's kind of cool though. Look at that. It's all got little patterns and everything else. It's really windy though. There's a lava tube, it looks like, just down there. So I'm gonna try and see if I can get in there, but my daughter's probably gonna go, I wanna come. And she probably really can't go in there. So let's go and have a look. Okay, it's a lava tube. It's pretty cool. Food! Let's get food.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
We just got back from our drive. Sorry about the wind, it's really windy. Just got back from the drive. Got in and the sun was setting, so we ran like crazy people all the way down here. And it's a cool little area with a, apparently this is a heritage site, really old, traditional fish pond. And it is stocked with fish. I don't think you can go fishing here though. But, so we ran down here, got a load of shots, and I was like, why is it so dark? And I realized the ND filter was still on the camera. But I think he still got away with it. So those are those shots right now.
You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Something different. It's not my hair. It's not my rugged look. Good looks are still there. I know that's there, but my glasses are gone. Yep, I walked into the ocean maybe with them on and proceeded to go snorkeling. I don't remember. So right now I don't have any glasses. I'm blind as a bat. Not blind as a bat, I can see. I'm not terrible, but I can't read pieces of paper and words and stuff. But I can still drive and things like that, which is good because I got to drive the car back to its owner tomorrow. So we were we rented a car through an app called Turo instead of going through your standard car rental places, and so that's been a really good experience. It was just like, guy just turns up, goes, here's your keys, takes a picture of your driver's license, and then just gives you the car, and you pay via the app, via iTunes and everything else. So really, really convenient. So we've been here now on Big Island 4. Where's the, oh yeah, there's the camera. Big Island for best part of the week, and no volcanoes blew up. Everybody told us, oh, don't come here, it's like, you know, you're going to risk your life and everything's going to be bad. No, it's completely fine. Everything is fine. So we came here. We have stayed away from the volcanic area because we do have a 5-year-old, and, you know, putting her in harm's way and all of that deadly toxin gases stuff. It's not a good idea, so we just avoided that. But on the other hand, you know, we've done snorkeling. I've done a lot of drone flying, bit crap at it. flying is completely fine. A bit crap at the camera part, ironically. Flying is one thing, doing the drone thing is another thing. So I've just kind of got used to it, but only by the time I was about to leave. So yeah, we've been doing shopping, we've been doing scuba diving, where we saw some turtles this morning. I managed to get some turtle shots as I dived under the water with the turtle. So that was pretty cool. But now it is, what else did we do? We did coffee, we did so much stuff. Coffee plantations, and yeah, it's been good. Anyway, so tomorrow we're leaving Big Island. We're flying back into Oahu, and we're going to spend like 2 days in Waikiki before then we go back to Japan, and then I arrive, I go to sleep, and then I'm in work the next day. Maybe okay. What have we got to lose, huh? It's gonna be fine. So anyway, I'm gonna miss this though, but today's a bit of an average day. Kind of cloudy. So, that was the other thing as well, doing the, we did some stargazing tours. I've never done a stargazing tour in my life. It's just somebody pointing at stars with a laser pointer. There's that one, that's Taurus. Right, okay. So instead I just took pictures of the Milky Way and some stars. Actually, on this little balcony here I took some pictures of stars and things over here. So maybe I'll stick that up here right now. Boom. Okay, so I did that today. So that was pretty good. And so yeah, we've done lots. I'm a little bit exhausted, and today I managed to do a really good thing while scuba diving. Coming out, not only did I lose my glasses, but coming out of the water I ripped the side of my foot open, so I'm hopping around like a blooming kangaroo as well. So yeah, the lady at the front desk was like, I got iodine. I'm like, oh god, no. Thank you very much for being so kind. She's like, would you like me to put it on? I was like, no. Don't you dare. So yeah, be sad to leave this place. This place is really good. It's a beautiful area, but anyway, back to reality soon. Back to work, back to Tokyo, and the long queues and the traffic and everything else. But that's home. So anyway, probably next update is tomorrow.